What's up, guys? Welcome to Free Card Fridays. It's obviously Saturday. It's 3 a.m. and I'm exhausted. I worked out and then I thought of video ideas, and I definitely want to get something like this out to give back to the community. So basically, I'm gonna open this mega tin right here, and I'm pretty much gonna give the contents away. So it's pretty much an opening video, and also I'm gonna be able to give it away to a winner. So pretty much all you gotta do is comment on the video. I'll pick my favorite comment or the comment with the most likes, but it's generally gonna be my favorite comment until I get more viewers and more subscribers to actually build up comments. You know what I'm saying? So we'll definitely get into it. Like I said, if I like your comment, I'll definitely pick it. And every Friday I'm gonna be doing this. So without further ado, let's get into it, guys. So I believe this is the Mega Tin 2021. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is my first time actually opening one. And a guy was talking about, man, can I open it? What the fuck? A guy was talking about how he appreciated my videos, but he wanted to know about like price points and price entries and price exits of certain Yu-Gi-Oh products. So definitely that's gonna be for another video. So just definitely check out the later videos, because I'm gonna be talking about this set in particular and how I think it's actually a really cheap set, and it's a pretty cool set to get into if you just collect sealed for cheap and all that. So like I said, Free Card Fridays, guys, whatever I pull, if I like your comment, you know, we're gonna link up, we're gonna message each other somehow, and I'm gonna get your information. I'm gonna ship it to you. If you're local, I would prefer that you pick it up out of respect. So I'm using my GoPro so that I could get higher quality. I'm still getting used to the GoPro. I don't have a tripod, so I'm using a weird setup. So let's see what y'all lucky guys will get. What's the nuts to pull? Cross-out designator. That's the nuts, right? So let's see what we got, guys. I don't know. To be honest, I don't really care about the commons. Okay. Got that crazy super. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know what that is. Do not know what that is either. Fusion deployment, secret rare, Ignis AI land, and then Dogmatica. So yeah, that pack was garbuzu. You know, that's what the 2021 Megatins weren't that impressive. But the thing is about them is they're actually really cheap. You know, some guy really wanted me to talk about price points, and I kind of wanted to save it for like a whole video. Like I want to do a whole video on Megatin 2021. Like I said, I'm not saying it's like a good investment, but like if you want to pick up a lot of sealed for cheap, this is definitely the route to go. So let me get to the foils for you guys. Melfi, I mean, that's a cool little picture. Performer Pal, Dogmatica thingy, that card, and that card. Wow. Absolutely garbuzu. And you know, that's cool that I'm able to give this away. You know, help out the small community and stuff. I think it's pretty cool to give back to y'all guys. I've always liked the idea of giving free cards, but I didn't like the way, like, giveaway videos. I always thought that was like a tacky way to get subscribers. And you don't have to subscribe. You should subscribe so that you could have access to these videos and you have a higher chance of getting free cards. So I'm not asking you to subscribe. I'm just saying, if you want to, you can. So, I mean, that's kind of cool. And that. So, I'm sorry, guys. It wasn't like the greatest pull. This is, like, if you bought this Mega Tin, you would minus. You would absolutely minus. So, guys, let me know what you guys think. This isn't like the craziest video, but let me know what y'all think of the concept. I open, you know, like a small bit of sealed product and I give it away for free. This tin didn't really cost me anything. Like I said, in the next video, I'm going to be talking about what I think about the price point for this particular set and if it's actually worth getting into. Like I said, we have a recession coming, so I'd be careful about putting money in certain things. Like I said, you don't want to over leverage yourself and then 2 months from now, you don't have your job and then you got bills to pay. So I really appreciate it. Definitely leave a comment down below, and whatever my favorite comment is, I'll just pick it and we'll link, and I'll definitely just get it shipped to you.